Well, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your camera is not working on your iPhone on specific applications. So we want to go up to settings right here. Scroll on down until we get to privacy and security. Then under here, let's go to camera on the bottom. And we need to make sure these applications have permission to use our camera. So we might have opened up the application initially, and then it asked us if we want permission to use the camera, and we accidentally went to no. So just make sure we have permission selected for each of the applications we're going to be using. So here's Snapchat. If I go ahead and take this away, I go to Snapchat, I won't have permission to use it. So I'm going to have to open this up and then turn on the permission for the camera for Snapchat. You can see it's turned off right here. Now I should be able to use it again. So we can go back under settings and we can go to screen time also now and then go on down. We might have something restricted under here. So let's go to this and we can completely turn this off. Otherwise, what we could do is go to allowed apps and features and just make sure every thing that we're using has it turned on. So here's camera. Make sure camera is turned on. Otherwise, we won't be able to use that for our applications with the content and privacy restrictions that we have turned on. So you can decide if you want to turn it off completely or just go to the camera and make sure it's on under there. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.